Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to have an overview on the Power BI desktop version where we can build the visualization charts based on our requirements. So as this is the first session, we'll be just going through how we can load the data and see how the different types of categories where we can see the different fields in the visualization of Power BI. So as this is a blank report, if I click on the blank report, you have different options to select. The data. So I can get the data from here and I can connect to multiple sources. So I'm just taking an Excel workbook for reference and you can see how we can load the data. I have an World Bank Excel. So when I upload and click on the open, it is trying to connect with Excel and load the data. So when you're loading the data, it will show the different sheets that are present in that Excel. So here I have only one. So I'm selecting the development indicators. As soon as I select, it will show the load option and the transform data option. So currently we are going to just load the data. Once I click on load the data, it is trying to load the data and creating a model for it. As it is loading, you can see the different options over here. You have a report view, you have a table view, you have a model view, and you have a DAX query view. And here these are the visualizations part where you can create a different bar charts or pie charts based on the requirement. And we'll be going through the different types of charts in the further classes and why do we use this stacked bar chart and stacked column chart and different types of categories over here. And if I click on the format, you can see the format view over here, and similarly with the data part and the filters part. The filters part, it is based on the data that you're selecting. You'll get the different option. I'll be showing that option to you as well. So just give me a minute. So I have already loaded a few data for it. So if I click on data, it will, earlier you did not see the option of a format visual. Now based on the data that is present and selected the data on the what you call as the report view, you are able to see the different visualization options here. This is called format visual, and this is build visual, and this is for search, and this is for the data that is present. Now I have three different types of sheets here where I made into three different sheets, and we'll be going through the DAX queries also. And we also have different options. You can transform the data. When you click on the transform the data, you see the different options of formatting the data, like removing the columns, choosing the columns, and removing the rows, and then you can split the columns as well. So, and all this further in the further sessions, we can see each and every option and how we can build the analytics over Power BI. So, as part of an first session, I'm just going through the different options over here. So, home, insert, modeling, and in the insert you can see visual model, more visuals, and you can see the types of Power Automate. You can use Power Automate to trigger the functions in the Power BI, and it can be used in various apps as well. And you can see how you can present the data with themes, and also can optimize this will be seen in the advanced sessions of the Power BI, like optimization and performance analysis. when do we apply the slices. All these options will be seen in the future classes, I hope. And this is the main important part. You can see the relationships between the two tables or the seeds that it is already getting established. So we'll be seeing all these options in the future sessions. And this is a table view and this is a report view. So when I click on one of the types of data, you can see the interactive data as well here. So let me show it to you. So just give me a minute. If I'm clicking 48, it'll automatically show the different types of uh, countries that is listed under sub-Saharan African, and it is highlighting the respective graph over here. So we'll be seeing all this in the future classes. So this is just a sample example. I just want to show it to you. And here you can see that sum of electric power consumption for each region. So if I click on the select East Asia, it is highlighting the East Asia specific. So all such kind of scenarios will be seen in the future sessions. I hope you are good with the overviews, and please try to see the options that are available in the Power BI. So the main functions are like in our daily use we'll be going through report view, model view, uh, and then the table view, the DAX queries. So these are the main categories we'll be going, and the other option is transformation of the data. When you are transferring the data, when you are updating the data, so how we can transform the data, we'll be seeing in our next session. Thank you.